Starting your day with the right habits can set a positive tone and boost your overall well-being. Here are 10 healthy habits to incorporate into your morning routine. 1. Wake up early. Rising early gives you a calm, stress-free start and allows time for self-care. 2. Practice gratitude. Spend a few moments reflecting on things you're grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. 3. Drink warm water with lemon. This hydrates your body, aids digestion, and boosts metabolism. 4. Stretch or exercise. A short stretching routine or workout wakes up your muscles and increases energy levels. 5. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Helps reduce stress, improve focus, and set a peaceful tone for the day. 6. Eat a nutritious breakfast. A balanced meal fuels your body and brain, keeping you energized. 7. Limit screen time. Avoid immediately checking your phone or social media to reduce stress and stay present. 8. Plan your day. Write down priorities, goals, or a to-do list to stay organized and focused. 9. Listen to uplifting content. Whether it's a podcast, music, or an audiobook, positive input can motivate you. 10. Step outside for fresh air. A few minutes in natural light helps regulate your circadian rhythm and boosts mood. Which of these habits do you already practice, and are there any you'd like to add to your routine?